Hey there, ready to get started with the Quick Start Wizard? If you've just set up your account, this is the perfect place to begin. Let's walk through it step by step, and don't worry, it's quick and easy. Step 1. Fill in your info. First things first, you'll want to get all your personal details in there. Add your name, phone number, and double check that everything looks the way you want it. This will make sure your profile is all set up for success. Step 2. Upload your headshot and logo. Next, we're going to add some images to personalize your account. A professional headshot and your company logo will do the trick. Just choose photos that you like and upload them directly. Step 3. Enter a property address. Now let's add a property. Do you have an open house coming up? Great. Go ahead and enter that property address. If not, no worries. Just add any address for testing purposes. This will help you get familiar with the system. Step 4. Add open house details. If you're planning an open house, this is where you'll fill in all the details. If not, feel free to put in some test information for now. It's just to get you comfortable with the platform. Step 5. Upload property images. Now for the fun part, adding images of the property. We recommend adding 3 images, 1 main, larger image, and 2 supporting photos. These will help showcase the property nicely. Step 6. Enter company information. Don't forget to add your company info too. Include your company's address, your team name, and any other details that are important. It helps keep everything looking professional. Step 7. Submit and finish up. Once you've got everything in, just hit submit and you're all done. You've officially completed the Quick Start Wizard. What happens next? You're going to receive an email with a QR code flyer attached. It's super simple. Just print it out and use it at your next open house. Visitors can scan the code to register right on their phones, and if you've got a paid account, the flyer will also include a text code along with the QR code. Visitors can either scan or text to sign in. That's it! You're all set and ready to go. If you ever need a refresher on the steps to complete the Quick Start Wizard, feel free to come back to this guide.